Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's video features John Bryan of the Civil Rights Lawyer channel. If you don't know John, he's a fantastic lawyer and drops amazing content. The first video he ever posted was security footage from one of his clients' home in Putnam County, West Virginia. The video shows an illegal task force formed by the Putnam County Sheriff's Office driving up to a man's house when he's not home in August of 2019. They were allegedly there to serve a civil eviction summons to the tenant, but those are typically performed by the county process server. Why an entire gaggle of deputies were present is baffling. They first cut the lock to the property's gate. Then, noticing that the target wasn't home, the deputies sneak onto the property and cut the wires to the security cameras around the property. They then push a window unit air conditioner into the home, forcing entry into the residence through the window. While inside, the plainclothed officers rummage around the property without a warrant. They open drawers, look under the bed, and open closets to remove weapons. They ransack the joint and leave the man's weapons on the bed and stove after taking pictures of them. What the deputies didn't realize is that the entire time, their actions were caught on hidden security cameras positioned throughout the house. Notice that the men had no uniforms or even holsters. It is likely that had someone been home, they would have defended their property from the unannounced, unconstitutional, suspicious-looking, plainclothed, gun-tucking, wire-cutting thugs. During the search, one of the officers finds a small container filled with the ashes of the homeowner's deceased friend. The ashes were taken outside so the deputies could test them for narcotics. The test kits were littered on the property, with the man's cremated remains still inside. 3 different lawsuits have been filed against the individuals in the task force and the county itself, including one for this incident. It took almost a year and a half, until early November of 2021, for a federal court to even allow a lawsuit against Putnam County to proceed. That lawsuit is still to this day moving forward and likely won't end for years to come. On March 4th of 2021, John released an update on the case, where he explains that before he released the video to the public, he tried to do the right thing by handing it over to federal prosecutors, expecting that they too would do the right thing. The prosecutors handed the video over to the FBI, as they are supposed to be the agency to police the police. Nobody knew the video existed, so it would stand to reason that an agent investigating the case would first ask the officers involved whether they were in the house or not. It would have likely caught them in a lie. Instead, the agents investigating the incident call multiple cops that they are friends with and invite them to have a beer and leak the fact that they were caught on video, during which they refer to John as a jackleg lawyer that sues cops. So who do you call, other than reaching out to a channel like mine and a lawyer like John? Who do you call when local, state, and federal government agents are corrupt and undeniably violating your civil rights? Imagine what they'd do to cover up a larger offense. The evidence of corruption within law enforcement agencies is overwhelming. I have nearly 1,000 examples on this channel alone and pass up dozens a day. But the bootlickers and officers all over the country have the audacity to tell us that we just hate cops.
We are sick and tired of having targets on our back. Enough is enough. And if you're the ones that are out there spreading the rhetoric that police officers are the enemy, well, just know we've all got your number now. We're going to be keeping track of all of y'all, and we're going to make sure that we hold you accountable every time you stir the pot on our police officers. We've had enough, folks. We're out there doing our jobs every day, putting our lives on the line for our families. Enough is enough.
But these men don't deserve to be cops. And maybe if they stopped being such huge piles of shit, I could retire this fucking channel. Finally, I get emails every day of people whose rights were violated that didn't record the interaction, and the departments refuse to release footage. So please, for your own safety, record everything. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.